How to create form in Base44. Step 1. Go to base44.com, log in with your account. Once you're in dashboard, click on the Forms section from the left-hand menu. Step 2. Click the plus New Form button. Give your form a name. You'll be taken to the form builder screen. Start by dragging elements like text fields, drop-downs, checkboxes, or date pickers into your layout. Step 3. Click any field to edit the label. You can make fields required, reorder them, or add placeholders. Use sections to group related questions and keep the form organized. Step 4. Click the Settings tab to set thank you message, add redirect link after submission, choose notification emails for form responses, and you can also limit entries, schedule availability, or protect with password. Step 5. Once done, click Publish. You'll get a shareable link or embed code to add it to your site, and test the form to make sure everything works smoothly. And that's it.